Hello, welcome to solve this maths problem, which is 8 to the power of a plus 2 equal to 65. Find the value of x. Solution. So from our problem, 8 to the power of a plus 2 is equal to 65. In the first step, we have to apply the well-known formula a to the power of m plus n, which is equals to a the power of m times a the power of n. So 8 to the power of a times 8 to the power of 2, which is equal to 65. Then 8 to the power of a times 8 squared is 64 equal to 65. Then divide both sides by 64. It will be a the power of 8 to the power of a equal to 65 divided by 64. Then in the second step we will apply log on both sides. So log of 8 to the power of a, which is equal to log of 65 divided by 64. And then the power will move to the base. A log of 8 will equal to log of 65 divided by 64. Then next we have to divide both sides by log 8. A log of 8 is divided by log of 8, which is equal to log of 65 divided by 64 divided by log of 8. Then this will be log 8 is cancelled, so a, which is equal to log of 65 divided by 64 over log of 8. Here we know log of a divided by b, which is equal to log of a minus log of b. So by applying this rule, this term will be a, which is equals to log of 65 plus log of 64 divided by log of 8. And then a, which is equal to log of 65 over log of 8 plus log of 64 means 8 to the power of 2. So log of 8 to the power of 2 divided by log 8. Then this power will move to the base. Then a, which is equal to log of 65 divided by log of 8 plus 2 log of 8 over log 8. Sorry, consider this plus as a minus. I made a mistake here. This is minus, so this is minus. Then finally a, which is equal to log 65 divided by log 8 minus 2. Now let's factorize this 65. So 65 is factorized as 13 times 5. So a will be log of 13 times 5 over log of 8 minus 2. Then we know that a log of a times b is equals to log of a plus log of b. Applying this rule, a will be a, which is equal to this term will be log 13 plus log 5 divided by log 8 minus 2. Let's separate the terms. A, which is equal to log 13 divided by log of 8 plus log of 5 divided by log of 8 minus 2. Now let's expand number 8a, which is equals to log of 13 divided by log of 8 means to the power of 3 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2 to the power of 3 minus 2. Then a, which is equal to log of 13 divided by this 3 power is moved to the base 3 log of 2 plus log 5 divided by this power will move to the base, which is 3 log of 2 minus 2. Then a is equal to 1 over 3 times log 13 divided by log 2 plus 1 over 3 times log 5 divided by log 2 minus 2. In the next step, we know that log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So from this expression, a, which is equals to 1 over 3 times, this will be log of 13 to the base 2 plus 1 over 3 times log of 5 to the base 2 minus 2. So this is the value of a. Now let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Check it. And from our equation, a to the power of a plus 2 is equal to 65. Then substitute value of a here. A to the power of 1 over 3 log of 13 to the base 2 plus 1 over 3 times log of 5 to the base 2 minus 2 is equal to 65. Then this from the rule, which is a the power of m plus n, which is equals to a the power of n times a the power of m. This will be a to the power of 1 over 3 log of 13 to the base 2 times a to the power of 1 over 3 log 5 to the base, sorry, here is plus, so this will be 0, log of 5 to the base 2, which is equals to 65. And then we can expand this, which is 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 log of 13 to the base 2 times 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 log of 5 to the base 2, which is equals to 65. Then this 3 cancelled by this 3, so 2 to the power of log of 13 to the base 2 times 2 to the power of log 5 to the base 2, which is equals to 65. So we know that a the power of log of b to the base a is b. So applying this expression, this term will be here a is 2 and b is 13, so here it will be 13 times, here a is 2, b is 5, so 5, which is equals to 65. Then 13 times 5 is 65, which is equals to 65. So our answer is correct